Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a very important task to do. I am leaving the country tomorrow, so why not bake the night before? Have I packed? No, but that's a problem for later. I have fallen down this rabbit hole on TikTok of miffy baking videos. So I thought it would be a perfect idea to do miffy baking videos. Hey. Dude, I can't stop doing that. If you know me, I love miffy. I had miffy on my birthday nail set, and I also had miffy on my birthday cake. Not made by me, by the way, but she's doing really good on Pinterest. I sadly don't own anything miffy though, yet, because she is expensive, and so are my biases. So I saw this recipe, right? Here's the thing, most of these are literally regular recipes, just in the shape of miffy. I think the easiest way to start this series is by making cookies, since that's what I do best, I think. My recent saves on TikTok are just all miffy food. And I saw this one. Do you see that? Am I in the way? Miffy cookies? Absolutely. I'm gonna go get the ingredients really quick and we'll get this started. I have all the little ingredients laid out. Mind you, this is not a tutorial. It's just, let's see if I can make this happen and make them look cute. I started this video at 4. It's now 8:20. As I mentioned, I am going to Mexico City tomorrow. I'm very excited. I've never been to Mexico City. Girl, I'm in Mexico all the time. In the midst of me packing ATEEZ, I already knew, okay, here's the thing. I already knew they were coming back, but they already dropped the album preview. Like, why are we going this fast already? I swear Bouncy came out like 2 months ago. Did it not? When did Bouncy come out? Hope you guys are having a good Friday. It's literally Tuesday. I'm having a good Friday though. So we have the butter going on there. I'm just gonna mix it. I don't want to leave this unattended because if it burns, I will start crying on camera. ATEEZ come back, even though it feels like Bouncy came out last month. I'm excited nonetheless. You know the year's ending when you get the tweet notifications for season's greetings. I got them for Rise. Need, by the way. Okay, while that butter's browning, let's get to everything else. Oh my god, do you want to see my wallpaper? I changed it. You can't even see. Oh my god. Also, I got the pre-sale for the Bad Bunny tour. Why are tickets going on sale tomorrow? I shed a few tears. No, not even on payday. Bye. Don't talk to me. The butter's boiling. Okay, good news. The butter has browned. Bad news. I can't do anything until it chills out and it's boiling. Dude, I have to be up in 5 hours, but I'm making miffy cookies. Miffy cookies. Miffy cookies priority. Miffy cookies over sleep. Miffy is forever. Sleep is temporary. Okay, hey, I lied. I guess the butter is not supposed to be cold and we need to act fast. Because I forgot when butter is cold, it literally solidifies. Setup update. Here we have 2 little strainers. The butter, here we go. I'm gonna hold it, I don't trust myself. That's it. Ooh. Oh. It smells good. Ooh. From there, we need 1/2 cup of regular granulated sugar. Okay, that looks about right. Perfect. Was I not recording this whole time? I need you to be serious with me. I don't know what you saw last, but hey, we got the butter and the sugar together. 2 eggs. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna leave this in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I will see you in 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's go time. I have my sheet pan right here. Should I make them big? Like big miffies? No. Small miffies. Does that look like an oval? How does she do this so perfectly? Okay, you gotta tell me. Does that look like miffy? Hey, that kind of does. Now we just gotta make 20 more. I have a really bad feeling about this because I made them kind of big. Let me just show you. So this is what we're dealing with right now. They look cute, but look how thick I made them, dude. But like that looks like Miffy right now. 12 minutes is not looking too good. Oh, wait, actually, okay, I'll let them cook. 2 minutes to spare. So I'm just chilling in my room. Here's the update for the suitcase from last video. That's not Miffy. I need you to be nice, don't be mean. I'll make them smaller for what we have left. Okay, we have round 2 right here. I want silence. I want no words. They look like Max and Ruby. I have high hopes. Does Miffy have a cousin? Because this might be him. It is 10:30, and since they're so hot, I think I'm gonna just let them cool down at night, overnight. We shall continue tomorrow morning in 3 hours. I'm sorry? It's really good though. Like, they're really good, don't get me wrong. Okay, friends, I'll see you in 3 hours. Good morning. 2:53. I was up 3 hours ago. These cookies may not have turned out the way that I wanted them to. None of them. And they're breaking apart. They're already in a Ziploc. Oh my god. I'm taking them in a Ziploc bag so I can share with everyone there. Hey, this one's not that bad. But that's not Miffy. Friends, I'm so sorry. This is so rushed. I promise future baking videos will not be this chaotic because I won't have a flight the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Sorry about all that. None of them ended up looking like Miffy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!